Right, this is Norton Shop iChannel. We are here at Lucas Moripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns North, Stellenbosch 1, MTN 8 semi-final, first leg. My sister, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Oh, I'm so excited.
You are excited. I can see
I'm
you
so
are
excited because
Yeah.
of Ace. Umlungisi uhambe nemithi yakhe. And angeke sathatha ama-t-shirt sithi asicoach bese siyawina.
Yeah.
Cheka umncidi wenzani uthatha itrekere uyibeka ngaphandle uzowina njani
Uzwani.
uthatha uzwane ubeka ngaphandle
Yeah.
mina yazi angisho next namhlanje because of ngifavor istain into engayisho ngithi ihlanya lasipulukwane lela eliyisporele i-Sundowns last alikho leli lizihlabe ngomehlo alikho lehlanya lela noma sitshela ukuthi bazobakorela namhlanje unfortunately sorry namhlanje vele ngisitshela thank you very much.
So ukuthi i-Sundowns vele ngeke isabuya mina u-Sundowns.
Mina I'm still maintaining last time kuma-fans wethu ngithile ngathi
Yeah.
kulo ku-MTN ithathwa yi-Stelis mara kuya i-Pirates ne-Stelis finish.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
Thatha lento kuyaphileka. Thatha lento.
Thatha lento.
Thatha lento kuyaphileka.